మన తెలంగాణ పునర్నిర్మాణ నాయకులు, రైతు బిడ్డ, ప్రియతమ ముఖ్యమంత్రి, యంగ్ అండ్ డైనమిక్ సీఎం గారైనటువంటి శ్రీ యనమల రేవంత్ రెడ్డి గారికి సాదరంగా తెలంగాణ మైనార్టీ రెసిడెన్షియల్ స్కూల్స్ గోల్కొండ బాయ్స్ 1 తరఫున
Good morning, sir. My name is Mohammad Rafiuddin. I am from Temridge Golconda Boys 1. My project is about comfortable oxygen and virus protecting helmet. It is useful for the patients who are suffering from lung diseases or lung problems and heart problems. It can be useful if our heartbeat is increasing, it will or decreasing, it will beep and alert all. Yes. Yes. And it will provide oxygenated environment in the helmet. And if the patient is in any problem, it can call like this for somebody. And this is mainly this can be mainly used in yes. This can be mainly used in that bike ambulances. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, sir. My name is Mohammad Faizuddin from Temridge Golconda Boys 1. My project name is Smart Blind Stick for Old and Blind People. It is useful for blind and old people to cross the road and to call someone for help. It is useful. I make this project with the help of my teacher, and this is my own idea. If any obstacle come in front of this, if any obstacle come in front, it will be okay. Yes, with program. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. My name is Mohammad Ali. I am studying 8th class. I am from Golconda Boys 1. This is Chandrayaan 3 working model. This is a working for a help of the syringe to syringe and glucose pipe. This is working. Show. See. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, sir. My name is Mohammad Farhan Ahmad from class 9th A from Temiri's Golconda Boys 1. Today I am here to explain you about that, the work and energy, how windmill generate electricity. My first point is explaining you about that the windmill is used to generate electricity. It converts the kinetic energy of a wind into a mechanical energy. All the blades of a windmill always rotate in a clockwise direction, and it consists of a strong standing support which will not fall it, and it works on a simple principle. This is my working model of a windmill. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir. I am Abdul Naeem Khan from 9th class, TMR at Golconda Boys 1. I have prepared Bose model of the electron. This is electron, negatively charged particle, proton, positively charged particle, neutron, uncharged particle. They form the nucleus with the help of proton and neutron. This is electron revolving around the orbit. It does not radiate the energy. That's why it is revolving around the nucleus. It is also represented as n is equals to 1, 2, 3, so on. Thank you.
Village. Kosgi. हाँ काम करते हो क्या हाँ
संक्रांति के हॉलीडेज में गए। हाँ।
Good evening, sir. I am Mohammad Rehan from class 8. I am here to explain you. I am here to explain you about layers of soil. The first layer of the soil is humus. The second is topsoil. The third is red. The third is the third is subsoil. The fourth is parent material. And the last layer of the soil is bedrock. The topsoil, subsoil, and parent material are the main layers of the soil. Bedrock contains only rocks. Humus are these. Humus contain microorganisms and help in growing of trees. Thank you.
My name is B. Tanush. My name is B. Tanush. I am from 6th class from TMRS Golconda Boys 1. Today I am explaining about what is photosynthesis. Every plant takes carbon dioxide from atmosphere, sunlight from sun, water from soil, and makes their own food, and the food name is glucose, and it releases oxygen. This whole process is called as photosynthesis.
Good evening, sir. My name is G. Satish of standard 9th class. Today I am going to explain about reverberatory furnace. Reverberatory furnace is a pyrochemical process in which the ore is heated at a very high temperature, and reverberatory furnace carries of three main parts: firebox, health, and chinnery. Ore, the impurities of the which are obtained direct from the crust are kept at the ore, and this is heat is applied through the fire, by which the impurities will get evolved, and they will get out of the reverberatory furnace by the chinnery. This is called a reverberatory furnace. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. My name is Vishwa Prasad from Golconda Boys 1. My name is Vishwa Prasad. I am going to explain about 9th class, sir. I am going to explain about digestive system in our body. We take food from our mouth, and whatever we chew, it goes into esophagus. Through esophagus, it enters to the stomach. At the end of it, we have a duodenum. Because of the duodenum, it enters to the small intestine. After this all process, it enters to the large intestine of wastages, and it go to rectum. Through rectum, the connection of anus, it comes out in our bodies. This is called.
Good evening, sir. My name is Nahid from TMRS Golconda Boys 1. I am studying in 9th class. I will explain you about excretory system of our human body and another animals. The excretory system is used for purifying water and blood. It consists of one pair of kidney, one pair of ureters, and urinary gland and ureter. I will show you the working model of the excretory system. I am pouring the water, sir. Yes, sir. We can observe that the water is coming from kidneys. Kidneys are purifying the water and leaving it is ureters. Ureters are going to the urinary bladder. The urinary bladder is leaving to the urine chair. Urine chair is leaving out the whole dust particles of our water, sir. Thank you.
Good evening to everyone. I am Abdullah Mohiuddin from Golconda Boys 1, Temeris Golconda Boys 1. I am from 9th class. This is a solar cooker. A solar cooker works on the principle of sunlight that warms the pot. In easy words, solar cooker converts the solar energy into a heat energy. Solar cooker is used mainly in cooking a food and can be used for various methods. Advantages of solar cooker. No requirement of cooker gas, kerosene, coal, water, electricity. No need to spend on fuel because it works on a solar energy is available free. Food prepared from solar energy is nutritious. Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. This is a small gift for you from Temris Golconda Boys 1, sir. Please open it for us. It is made by our 10th class students of our school, sir.